everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this 3D cake slice box. This is pretty much a big size box, and you'll get quite many pieces in the set. And let me show you every part. So for this top lid, it's made with 2 cutting dies. The first is this part. So you need to take out all these layering pieces inside and then cut it one time. And also you need to cut this piece one time. So this is to make the curved side, and this is to make these 2 sides. So with these 2 dies you can create the top lid. And then for the bottom of the box, you need to cut this piece one time and this piece one time. Also, you need to take out all these inside parts and cut this piece one time. This is to make the curved side. So the bottom part is also ready. And then you have the other pieces to decorate your box, like the forks, and also like this. This is the word party. And you also get a lacy part that you can make a lacy border here. Also, you got this one, the dripping line, that you can also use to decorate your box. And here, let me see, you also get this curved line here. So this part is that you can use to decorate this part of your box. And then you will get this piece. So for this plate, it has different shaker base. It has the bows, the stars, the dots, and this is like a big sugar sprinkles. And here you also get this part. So for this part, you just need to cut them out and stick them one by one. And then it finished like this. Just stick them one by one, and yeah, it will look like this. So it's like the top of the cake, the cream part. And also, I made this one using the 2 parts, since this part is a little smaller than this layering piece part. So yeah, I made them into this heart shape mini album. And you can put it inside of this box. And I think, yeah, this would be very cute to have a mini album inside this. I haven't finished decorating the inside yet, but I think it's a cute idea. You just need to make a spine by yourself. And also, we also have a spine maker die that sold in the store. You can also use that one to create the spine pages for your mini albums. So let's get started for this tutorial. So here I cut all the pieces out. These are the layering parts, and these are the basic part. You just need to cut those frame pieces one time. So first, let's make the top lid. So you need these 2 parts. And I also cut the lacy border out. So I cut these 2 lace border, and these are the layering piece. So first, let's stick the layering piece on top. So I do it like this. I make the lace border over here, and then stick the layering piece here. And then fold it around this line. And stick this part here. And for this part, curve it a little. And stick them here. So normally I will stick both ends first, and then slightly move it so the curve would be good. So this top lid is ready. And let's make the bottom part. So you need to cut these 3 pieces out. And here is the layering piece. So let's stick the layering piece first. And fold it around this line. And stick this part here. And then stick this part here. And then let's stick this part. And then let's first curve this part a little. So this bottom part is ready. And this box is ready. And then you just need to decorate the top and also the size if you want. And for this one, it's just like this. You can make 1, 2, 3 on top, or you can just like this, add a bow on top. Yeah, I find this Christmas bow is pretty the good size to add on here. And yeah, I just love this bow. And I add these 2 parts here. So hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you have anything that are not clear, just leave me a message. I will answer you as soon as possible. And so thank you for watching. I will catch you in my next craft video. Bye bye.